Life is a constant fight. Fight between evil force and divine force. Vidya Shakti and Avidya Shakti. These two belligerent forces are active in the human mind. A sadhaka will encourage the divine force, and the non-sadhaka will encourage the evil force. This fight is called Devasura Sangram. Deva party is the divine force and Asura party is the evil force. This Devasura Sangram is going on from time immemorial. And that's why spiritual practice, spiritual sadhana is called Sadhan Samar. Sadhana is Samar. Samar means war, fight. Sadhan Samar. We get this picture in the Gita. This very picture we get in the Gita. In the Gita, in the first sloka, what has been said? Dhritarashtra Uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yutsava Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kima Kurvata Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra said. Who is Dhritarashtra? Dhrita means withholding entity. Dhrita. And Rashtra means structure, framework. Then, who does withhold your structure, your physical structure? Your mind. Because of the mind, because of the existence of your mind, the structural solidarity of your body is maintained. If the mind lifts the body, body will decompose, dissociate. Its structural solidarity will be lost. So, who is Dhritarashtra? He who controls the Rashtra, he who controls the physical body. And who controls the physical body? Mind. So Dhritarashtra means mind. Dhritarashtra Uvacha means mind says. The question arose in the mind. The question arose in human mind. Now you know. Dhritarashtra said, Sanjaya Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Jujutsava Samaveta Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kim Akurvata. Dhritarashtra asked Sanjaya, these two belligerent forces, my party and Pandu party, they assembled in Dharmakshetra and Kurukshetra to fight against each other. And after assembling there, what did they do? Sanjaya, tell me. Now, why does Dhritarashtra ask Sanjaya? Because Dhritarashtra cannot see. Mind cannot see. Mind is a blind force. Dhritarashtra was blind. You know Dhritarashtra was blind. Yes, because mind is blind. Mind is a blind force. Mind cannot see without the help of conscience. Mind cannot see without the help of Viveka. Manaha cannot see without the help of Viveka. The blind mind asks Viveka. Viveka is Sanjaya, Samji all. That is the result of fight between bad and evil. Result of fight between the what should I say? Sanjaya means the power of discrimination. Power of discrimination between good and bad is called Viveka. This is Sanjaya. The blind mind asks Sanjaya. Mind asks Viveka. My party, that is party of blind mind, and Pandu party. After assembling in Dharmakshetra, Kurukshetra, what did they do? Who are the members of my party of Dhritarashtra? That is, who are the supporters of Dhritarashtra? Who are the supporter of blind mind? Who are the supporters? Now, as you know, there are 10 indriyas in human body. Chakshu, Karna, Nashika, Jiva, Tvak. Vak, Pani, Pada, Payu, Upastha. These are the 10 indriyas of human body. 10 sensual organs. Eyes, ears, nose. These are the 10 sensual organs of human body. 10 organs. 5 are sensual organ and 5 are motor organs. Chakshu, Karna, Nashika, Jiva, Tvak. These 5 organs are sensual organs, and Vak, Pani, Pada, Payu, Upastha. These 5 organs are motor organs. There are 10 organs. And each and every organ can function in 10 directions. So, the agents of mind can function in 10 into 10, 100 directions. So, Dhritarashtra had 100 agents. Dhritarashtra had 100 sons. Blind Dhritarashtra had 100 sons. These 100 sons were the party of Dhritarashtra. They are supporter of materialism. They are the evil force. And Pandavas Chaiva, they are fighting against whom? Against the Pandavas. What is Pandava? In Sanskrit, the root word Pand means spiritual knowledge, sentient knowledge. Pand. Pandit means he who has acquired spiritual knowledge, he who has acquired sentient knowledge is Pandita. Panda means I am Brahma. This firm determination, this stance of I Brahma, this determination, this firm determination is called Panda. And he who has acquired Panda is Pandita. And who wants to acquire this knowledge is Pandu. And Pandava means pertaining to Pandu. The stages that you will have to go through in your spiritual practice is Pandava. In your spiritual sadhana, you are required to exalt. You are required to exalt your Kula Kundalini, the coiled serpentine from the Muladhara Chakra to the pineal gland. And in this process of exaltation, this coiled serpentine, this Kula Kundalini, will have to pass through 5 important plexus. These 5 important plexus are Muladhara chakra, Svadhisthana chakra, Manipur chakra, Anahata chakra and Vishuddha chakra. These are the 5 plexus controlling the physicality, controlling the physical world. Muladhara chakra represents Sahadeva. Svadhisthana chakra represents Nakul. Manipur chakra represents Arjun. Anahata chakra represents Bhim. And Vishuddha chakra represents Yudhishthira. And above that is the site of mind. What mind? Ancient mind. When Kula Kundalini reaches here, man attains qualified sense. Savikalpa Samadhi. So for attaining this trance of Savikalpa, Kula Kundalini, that is Jiva Shakti, the sleeping divinity, will have to pass through these 5 stages. So these 5 stages are Pancha Pandava. So on one side, this Kula Kundalini passing through 5 chakras, and the other side, 100 agents of Dhritarashtra that fighting against each other. This fight is the fight of sadhana, is sadhan samar. And where this fight is taking place? The Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre. What is Dharma Kshetra? Your physical body is Dharma Kshetra. Without this physical body, you cannot practice Dharma. After leaving this physical body, you won't be able to do Dharma sadhana. So this Dharma, your physical body, this body is Dharma Kshetra. That is, this fight is taking place within this body. And Kurukshetre, Kuru means in Sanskrit imperative mood, second person, singular number is Kri Dhatu is Kuru. Kuru means do. Imperative mood, second person, singular number, Kuru. Kuru means do, Anugya. So Kurukshetra means the field which is always saying Kuru, 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 do something, do something, do something, do something, is Kurukshetra. Kshetra of Kuru, Kshetra of deeds. So Kurukshetra, this universe is Kurukshetra. This world is Kurukshetra. And your body is Dharmakshetra. And this war between Pandava and Kaurava, 100 Kaurava and 5 Pandava, this fight is taking place within this Dharmakshetra and within this vast Kurukshetra. This fight will never come to an end. In individual life, when the Pandavas win, will attain salvation. But in collective life, such a salvation will never come. It will go on forever. In your individual life, you will do sadhana and attain salvation. And with your spiritual force, with your intellectual force, with your physical force, you are to serve the society. You are to render selfless service to suffering man.